ladies and gentlemen, the entire topic today will be on the whiteboard. Okay, it will be a presentation that will be given to you on the whiteboard, and this topic is very close to my heart, right? And if I have done probably X amount of consultations, then 50% of the consultations I have done for this topic. And today, your entire perspective towards the life will change in next 40 minutes, right? That is my promise. And all my students know that when I am little disturbed or whenever I am not physically fine, I deliver the best, right? So that's what I do. That's my nature, right? And that's how I am, right? That's what I've done from last 40 years. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, what we'll discuss today is marriage. Okay. And before we start, I would want to know from each one of you, right, that is there anyone who could explain me definition of marriage? What is a marriage? Don't tell me that it is two people living together in one roof or a partnership. That's fine. These are the terms that we know. That's a very layman, or a common man term. Can somebody tell me, as per the shastra, what is marriage? Savita Gupta says karma clearance. Okay, we are settling karmas. Fine. Two souls setting prarabdha. Pratik Mishra. Okay. Anyone who would like to attempt? Disha? Yes, Disha. What is a marriage?
Sir, in yogic terms, we take marriage as a bhut shuddhi marriage, in which the 5 elements of both the people we intermingle them and we connect both the people with the 5 elements.
That's fair enough. So those 5 elements are Panch Bhutas, right?
Panch Bhutas, yeah.
So you say it is settlement of Panch Bhutas.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Fair enough. Which is a very nice information. Before I start the magic,
should I speak, sir?
Why not?
Sir, marriage is basically gametes. It has been derived from a word gamy. And like Hindus go for monogamy and polygamy terms come from there.
Okay.
So I think according to me, marriage is perpetuation of species, same kind of species. Because there has to be reproduction and perpetuation. That is the main aim of marriage, according to me. I may be wrong.
No, you're not wrong.
According to me, it is a continuation of same kind of species.
I mean, it's a
like begets like.
Okay, yeah.
We say like begets like. I don't know, but whatever I know, according to me, it is this.
That's correct. That's one of way of looking at a marriage, which is correct, which is not wrong. I think I'll not waste time because none of you have read shastras for sure. That's knowing ourselves, journey towards spirituality, walking in the Saptapadi together. Okay, so there are a lot of things that are coming. That's nice. Mayur, you want to say something?
Sir, my connection was lost.
Okay.
What is the question basically?
Okay, so you can now just mute yourself. I'll just start because then the first 20 minutes will be gone. Our topic is marriage. Okay, karma clearance. Okay, you guys can stop, messaging any further. And Vinny, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. Sir, I think marriage, the partner that we actually get, these are our karmic settlements. The enemy which we actually had in our past life finally tends to be our partner in this life, so that we can clear up all the, I don't know.
I said this, Mayur, please wait. Okay, I said this to you, I think during the consultation, because I try to convince people who have little abrupted married life just to motivate them, which is true in a sense, right? So that's fair enough. That's another way of looking at marriage, and which is very, very correct, which is not wrong. Mayur, you want to say something?
Sir, as per the shastras, marriage it's considered vivaha. Vivaha means vahan to Vishnu. Basically. And reaching the spirituality comes together, and it is also known as Shiv Shakti. From first house Shiv and seventh house Shakti. When two Shaktis will come together, the spirituality will increase. That is the spirit. And in these terms, we can relate it Vivaha.
Okay, great. So thank you for your input, which is another good input. Okay, but the thing that you've said is written in Puranas, and it's not written in the Shastras, right? These are some of the scriptures or classics written in the Agam, Nigam and Puranas. Okay, so when we talk of Shastras, let me now share the screen with you and let me open your eyes. Ladies and gentlemen, I will show you a picture first, and then I will show you something. I will come back to it. Guys, can you see something here on the screen? Right?
Yes, sir.
So, what is the purpose of this plough cart? Bullock plough cart, what is the purpose? The purpose of this bullock cart is to walk together, maintain a balance, maintain a speed, and fertilize. Isn't they helping to fertilize? Yes, no, maybe. What is this plowing happening? This plow is happening to grow something, right? To grow something. So Shastras have said that they have to find a right bull and a right cow with equal mentality size. If one is bigger, the other one is smaller, right? The balance will go off balance, right? One is fast, one is slow, right? It will be a problem. And you know what? This is just a very layman term in the Shastras. The actual term of the marriage. Now, for my new students, this is going to be a class जहाँ पर उन्हें ये पता लगेगा कि ज्योतिष का जो स्कोप है वो कितना बड़ा है, और ज्योतिष आचार्य 1, 2, 3, 4 जो बैचेस हैं, दे आर एक्सपीरियंस्ड वंस. उनको पता लगेगा नक्षत्र 1 and 2 के लिए ये एक आई ओपनर होगा. दैट इज फॉर श्योर, दैट इज अ गारंटी, राइट? सो नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द शास्त्रास, there is one single line which is given to the marriage is one single line: removal. Guys, ये लाइन आपकी जिंदगी बदल देगी. Its marriage is removal of, and I'm making it very, very simple to you. Okay, marriage is removal of Pitru Rinn. This is the definition of marriage. Ancestral debt. Marriage is removal of Pitru Rinn. The word Pitru or the Pitri comes from, the meaning of the Pitru is ancestors. When I say ancestors, it is your forefathers, not your father. your father and forefathers. Rin is a debt, karza. What are you doing when you are marrying a lady? What are you doing? You are giving the name of your forefathers to her, and you are clearing the rin of the forefathers who eventually belong to Sapatrishi. The promise of the Sapatrishi is to create this world. Sapatrishi were your forefathers. You, me, I, everyone belonged to Sapatrishi because they were the one who created this universe after the instructions of Brahma ji. वहां से आगे आपके गोत्र निकले, आपके ऋषि मुनि निकले, आगे आपके जनरेशंस पे जनरेशंस निकलती गई. आज आप इन सब की लीनिएज का उसको बढ़ाते हुए आप आगे लेकर आ रहे हैं. और जब विवाह होता है तो आपका पितृ ऋण हल्का होता है. जब आपको संतान की प्राप्ति होती है. और जो लोग विवाह नहीं करते, ऑल दोज ब्रह्मचारीज, क्या उनका पितृ ऋण कभी खत्म नहीं होता? दैट इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. पितृ ऋण इज योर जेनेरिक लेगेसी. Forget about दो आत्माओं का मिलन, forget about your karmic settlement, forget about every goddamn thing that you're thinking. Think like astrologer, like Sapatrishi, like Muni. क्यों हुई? ब्रह्मा जी ने क्यों क्रिएट किया इस दुनिया को? Why? वो एक बार क्रिएट किया, उसको आगे लेके जाने का नेतृत्व किसके पास है? आपके पास. इसीलिए आपकी कुंडली में संतान लिखी जाती है. और संतान तब मिलती है जब विवाह होता है. सिंपल. यू आर ब्रह्मा फॉर योर चिल्ड्रन बिकॉज यू हैव क्रिएटेड देम. You become Brahma. Brahma ji give you his ansh, and that ansh is directly coming from Vishnu. Vishnu says, Brahma, create. Brahma ji say, okay, I'll create. I need Sapatrishi. Sapatrishi are the gotras of the people who are running around here and there. That is why in every matchmaking, the gotra has to be matched. It is directly coming from Sapatrishi. And when you get married, you are actually clearing the Pitru Rin by further creating and keeping the dharma. ये धर्म है आपका. एक औरत का जन्म जननी के रूप में हुआ है. वो जननी क्यों है? क्योंकि वो पितृ ऋण खत्म करने के लिए आई है. अपने पिता का पितृ ऋण नहीं, आपका, जिसके घर वो आई. जिसके घर वो आई. ये कार्मिक सेटलमेंट है. वो आपका पितर ऋण खत्म कर रही है. इसीलिए वो लक्ष्मी है. इसीलिए वो साक्षात पार्वती है. इसीलिए वो दुर्गा है. वो आपका ऋण खत्म करने के लिए आई है. वो हेल्प कर रही है आपका पितृ ऋण खत्म करने के लिए. जो लोग मेरे से पूछते हैं ना, हम कैसा रहेगा कि हम शादी ही ना करें, उनको ये जवाब है कि आपका जो जन्म है वो पूरा का पूरा खराब गया, क्योंकि आपने अपने पितृ ऋण के लिए कुछ भी नहीं किया अगर विवाह नहीं किया. इसीलिए हर देवी देवताओं ने विवाह किए, हर ऋषि हर मुनि ने विवाह किया, संतान की प्राप्ति हुई. क्योंकि वो जानते थे कि हम पितृ ऋण नहीं रखेंगे. We will not keep this ऋण. We'll have to come back again and again. और वो कितना बड़ा श्राप होता है जब आपकी कुंडली में पितृ दोष बनता है, और पितृ दोष जिनकी कुंडली में बनता है उनको संतान की प्राप्ति इजीली नहीं होती है. देख लेना, चेक करना. They will get children late. They have to do thousands of mantra shastras. They need blessings of a guru to get a child.